Zone, the homeowner's best friend.
What are the homeowners that have incurred a loss? I mean, the first thing that goes through their mind is, oh no, not me.
Absolutely.
Right? And then they get a hold of you, and what happens next?
Well, the second thing that typically goes through their mind before they get a hold of us is that my insurance company will take care of this. And so many people wait to hear back from their insurance company or wait to hear direction from their insurance company. They think that the insurance company is in control of the process and they don't mitigate their damages. And their insurance policies are designed to prevent you from inactivity so that the loss doesn't grow and become worse. And so by the whole design of the system, you are supposed to take immediate action and protect your assets. But people are afraid to do that. They don't feel empowered to do that. Most of the time it's because they are not prepared, they aren't knowledgeable enough about the process, so they'd rather turn it over to somebody else and take comfort in the fact that, well, they've been through that process before. But I've seen it oftentimes where an insurance company will deny the claim because they allowed the claim to increase. A tree fell through the house, it's raining out there, and instead of getting immediate action and somebody out there to get that tree off the roof and get that home dried in to reduce and minimize the damage, they do nothing. And in doing nothing, more water comes in, the claim grows, and the insurance company comes out and says, well, it's in your policy that you have to mitigate your damage. They'll tell us, and we argue with them sometimes, no, you have to do something. No, I'm going to wait for my insurance company. I urge you to read your policy a little more carefully
Good. That's
and make
good
sure
advice.
that you have to do something. I've seen large claims get denied that turn water damages that turn into mold claims because they were waiting for their insurance company, and then the insurance denies the mold portion of the claim. And that's a big expense right there.
Oh boy.